Hello students, so we were doing periodicity and then we have already discussed about these three particular concepts, that is S block we have discussed, P block we have discussed, D block we have discussed. I hope that you have remembered the elements also. I have made you learn this with the help of mnemonics. So I guess now you have learned all these three types of the periodic table. The remaining one is F block. Okay, so let us see. If we talk about sixth period, so sixth period, that means automatically principal quantum number will be 6. It will be having 32 elements. We have already discussed that. Okay, and in this basically 4f orbital will be filled. Right? They are known as lanthanoids. What they are known as? They are known as lanthanoids. And one thing more that is to be noted down is the element from which this particular lanthanoid start is cerium, having atomic number 58, and its ends on lutetium, that is atomic number 71. You can note this down. These are lanthanoids. There is no need of learning the names of lanthanoid series right now because it is not much of importance right now. Only SP block and D block name are important for you right now. Okay, then we are going to see seventh period. Seventh period, that means obviously principal quantum number 7 and number of elements, it will be same like sixth period. We have already discussed in previous classes. Number of elements 32. Then these are famously actively known as actinoids. Actinoids, and in this 5f orbital is filled progressively. 5f orbital is filled progressively in this. These are very well known as actinoids, and the atomic number 118 is the last element of this particular period, and it also belongs to noble gas configuration. This is about actinoid series. Now the thing that comes in our mind is that why the sixth period and seventh period, that is lanthanoids and actinoids, are placed completely different and away and down from the periodic table. So the answer of this lies in a concept that because as it was told that all the elements with a similar property should be lying in the same column. यही तो फाइनल रूल आया था ना कि जितना भी सेम प्रॉपर्टी वाले एलिमेंट है उनको साथ में एक कॉलम में रखो. So that is why इनकी सबकी property was very much similar to each other, but they were not similar to what we have seen upwards, like in S block, P block, D block. It was very much different from that lanthanoid, actinoid. So that is why they have kept in the different column just to avoid the disturbance. Let's suppose अगर इनका कोई element ऊपर कहीं पे किसी block में डाल देते तो वो उसकी property एकदम अलग है. That could have violated the entire periodic table. So just to maintain the proper balance, that is why these lanthanoid, actinoid are placed at the bottom of the periodic table and a different column में है. Actinoids में एक और बात याद आई मुझे कि जितने भी man made radioactive elements हैं comes in this. All the man-made radioactive elements जो हैं वो इस कैटेगरी में आपको देखने को मिलेंगे actinoids में. Hope this is clear to you. I hope you have written that also, that why they are placed in the different column. वो भी लिखना है, question बना के लिख लो. Just because their properties were very much similar to each other but not similar to the above blocks, that is why they are kept differently. Okay. Next thing is, it is hence proven. अभी तक हमने जितना भी पढ़ा है उससे ये प्रूव हो गया है elements are arranged according to atomic number and not mass. एटॉमिक मास के ऊपर कोई पीरियोडिसिटी में हमने बात नहीं करी है. इट्स एवरी डिटेल वाज डन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एटॉमिक नंबर. नेक्स्ट थिंग लिखो एक्सेप्शन. इन एक्सेप्शन यू कैन राइट इट डाउन दैट वी हैव हीलियम. हीलियम atomic number is 2, configuration 1s2. So according to the configuration, helium is a s block element. It is an s block element, but it is not placed in s block elements group. यहाँ पर तो alkali metal, alkaline earth metal, यहाँ पे तो helium होता ही नहीं है. helium तो p block में जाके बैठा है. But you can write down, but helium is positioned in p block. तो ऐसा क्यों? Why? That although it is an element of s block, but it is placed in p block. Why is it? It's just because it is satisfying the properties of p block more. Although the configuration of helium is 1s2, which is the configuration of s block, but helium is satisfying the property of p block a lot. That is, helium is a noble gas configuration also. So that is why without any disturbance it is placed in p block, but it is an element of s block. That is, it is counted in s block only. So this is all for today's class. Thank you so much for attending, and like the video.